Mabuhay! Good day everyone. Let's discuss about ROP or reorder point. So here is the scenario. If the company's expected daily usage is 100 bottles of wine, the anticipated delivery is 6 to 10 days. When will the company place the order or reorder point? So here is the formula. ROP equals usage plus lead time plus safety stock. So ROP equals 100 bottles per day times 6 to 10 days plus 100 bottles per day times 4 equals 100 times 6 days plus 100 times 4. So ROP equals 600 plus 400 and the ROP is 1,000 bottles of wine. And now let's discuss the EOQ. Here is the formula of EOQ. EOQ equals square root of 2 times O times N divided by C. In order for us to get the EOQ, we need to multiply 350 times 16,000 bottles. So the answer is 5,600,000. Second step is 5,600,000 times 2 equals 11,200,000. Third step, 11,200,000 divided by 5 equals 2,240,000. And the last step is the answer is 1,496.96, but we need to round it up, so the answer is 1,497 bottles. So let's proceed to letter B, which is the numbers of order per year. So here is the formula. NO equals N divided by EOQ. So 16,000 bottles divided by 1,497 bottles. So the answer will be 10.68, but however, we need to round it up, so it will be 11 orders. And now let's proceed to letter C. Total ordering cost per year or TOC. Here is the formula of TOC. NO times OC equals 11 orders times 350 pesos equals 3,850 pesos. Let's proceed to letter D, which is the average inventory. Here is the formula of average inventory. AI equals EOQ divided by 2 equals 1,497 bottles divided by 2. We get the answer of 748.5, but we need to round it up, so it will be 749. And let's proceed to letter E, total carrying cost per year or TCC. Here is the formula of TCC. TCC equals AI times CC. So 749 times 5 equals 3,745. Let's proceed to the last, which is the total cost. Here is the formula of total cost. TOC plus TCC. 3,850 pesos plus 3,745. So the answer will be 7,595 pesos.